model, 2013 Nissan NV200 Shay 1.5 dCi 89PS crew cab. Very clean bodywork. Body, white, crew cab. Mileage, 178418. MOT, the 13th of March 2025. Engine, 1461 cc K9 bhp E5A. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Gearbox will need replacing, easy in and out job. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition, reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van. Features, 4 former keepers, electric windows. EU status,